believe on the continent now, there is a move towards a continental passport for Africans, more free trade areas. So I do see some progress on the continent that I'm very, very proud of, and I'm very good to see towards a continental pan-Africanism. But at the same time, I think until the member states of the AU really have a serious conversation on creating that United States of Africa, which was the dream of Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the Honorable Marcus Messiah Garvey, and most of the Pan-Africanists saw the need for that. Julius Nyerere definitely saw a need for it. Sankara did as well, and even Samora Machel and everyone else on that poster. In fact, I don't know of a Pan-Africanist who didn't believe in the United States of Africa. And so I'm hoping that more is done to go into that direction. But with that being said, I think we also have to recognize that the debt that is owed by so many African countries to the former colonizers will also serve to undermine any governing authority that the African Union may have over its member states because of the structural adjustment programs that the World Bank, the IMF, France, and Britain often impose on African countries. And three of the major